Hey everyone, it is me E and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Christmas tree tour, so let's just jump into it. We got a new tree topper this year from Cracker Barrel. My parents bought it for me and I thought it was so magical the way it circles the tree. The first ornament that I'd like to point out is my Chip and Dale ornament, which I got at Disney World, and this vintage teddy bear ornament, and here's an ornament from the Beast from Kings Island. Over here is an ornament I got at Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party in 2017, so this is a very special ornament to me. My husband bought it for me without me knowing. And this is a little sleigh ornament I bought at Macy's several years ago, I think in 2015. A lot of my ornaments come from my family, like these little hobby horses, and that little bird ornament came in a set of 12 Christmas ornaments that are supposed to bring you luck when you're newly married. I'm not a newlywed anymore, but I still hang those ornaments on the tree. These wooden words like Noel and ho 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 also come from my family. That little snow baby is new this year. I bought a set of 3 of them from eBay. And this little cowboy boot with the spur comes from Buc-ee's, and it's my first Texan ornament. And this Donald Duck is one of my favorites too, because Donald Duck is one of my favorites in general. And that little sign says, "Have a holly jolly Christmas." Somebody gave that to us as a gift last year and I threw it on the tree. And here's another one of those snow babies from that set. This snowman here came from my grandmother on my mom's side. And this is an ornament from Grater's Ice Cream. It's mint chocolate chip. I love this Santa ornament because I feel like he looks like he's seen some things. And down here is a blown glass ornament that I made on vacation when I was a kid. I've got this little set of tiny Disney ornaments here next to this Mickey Mouse ornament that was to celebrate his 90th birthday. And there's another Beast ornament actually. That gingerbread man came from my college. This trolley came from my parents when they went to San Francisco. And that fat Santa came from Hobby Lobby. That pine cone looking ornament also came from that set of 12 German ornaments. And that plush reindeer is one of my dog's favorites. He always tries to grab it and play with it every year. There he is over there jumping onto the couch. I've got a couple of sort of nativity ornaments. They're a little Catholic looking for my taste, but I still think they're kind of pretty and traditional looking, which I like in an ornament. Up here is the last of the 3 snow babies that came in that ornament set from eBay. I think they're vintage from like the 80s. Like I said, those were on the tree growing up when I was a kid. This ornament here is special. It's from the year that me and my husband got married, our first married Christmas ornament. And that's basically the tree right there. Of course, there are more ornaments that I didn't talk about or show in detail. I've got a big kind of Tangled inspired Mickey Mouse ear ornament that I got in Disney World as well. And of course I shoved a snowman plush into the top of the tree. He's not really an ornament, but I think he looks good. On my couch I have this like nativity pillow next to my stockings, and I've got this Mickey ear hat hanging on a picture. And over here is one of my nativity sets. To me, Disney and Christmas kind of go together. My entire Christmas aesthetic is not Disney, but I have this Pluto popcorn bucket that my brother gave me. Here's a little church. Here are some snow people. I just like to put a little bit of decoration on my windowsills. Over here on the bookshelf behind my couch is this little elf doll that I made last year. You've probably seen on my channel a couple of doll repaint videos. And this is one I did before I started my channel, and she's like a little elf, and I did a really great job on her dress actually for somebody who can't sew. Here is my bigger nativity. This is one my mom gave me, and look at how beautiful this Christmas card is that I got. That's a Christmas card. It can fold up flat and fit in an envelope. And there's a picture of my dog meeting Santa, and this is a little Christmas tea set. And this little jalopy sings "We Wish You a Merry Christmas," and that Santa back there lights up. I got him from Goodwill actually. And over here are just some trinkets that basically came from my childhood bedroom. I used to set these up in my bedroom when I was a kid. Some of them I've acquired more recently, but a lot of them come from when I was just a little child. And on my other windowsill, I have these 12 Days of Christmas candles that I got in a family Christmas game. And then this is our dining table, which we never really eat at, but it's got this beautiful tablecloth, which I got from a family member, and these tablecloths and napkins that we got from my in-laws. And then on either side of the door, I've got those snowmen. And that's basically all of my Christmas decorations. I have a few more, I'm sure, but those are the main ones. I hope that you enjoyed this and it made you feel festive, and have a very Merry Christmas. I'll see you soon. Bye.